Hello everyone, I hope you are doing very well. Today in this video I wanna explain to you how we can both generate and scan QR codes in Compose Multiplatform project. So we will gonna cover both the Android part and the iOS part. So no more wasting of your time, let's go ahead. Okay, for this we're gonna use this library here. It's very good. I used it in real world projects and it works. It works without any problems. So let's go ahead. First of all, let's add this library. So let's copy and go to the build, add it here. Let's look for the version. It's here, 1.1.0, 0.0.1. And let's sync. Okay, let's sync. Exit. Next, let's go to the Compose app, the src, the common main, Kotlin, and let's open up the app. Let's remove all of this because we don't need it, and let's see how they are doing it. So just to clarify a little bit, in my videos, I like to show you how I did it from the ground up, okay? From reading the docs to how I achieved what I want. This is what I want you to learn. So my videos may seem a little bit slow, but I want you to learn how you can do it by yourself. So the next time you don't find a tutorial or something like that, you can do it by yourself. So let's go ahead. Also, just to mention, they have also an implementation for barcodes. So in case you wanna deal with barcodes. So let's get started. As you can see, the remember QR code painter. This here we pass the data we wanna add to the QR code, and here it returns a painter. So it's just an image. So let's copy this code and let's do a column. Modifier, okay, max size, center, and okay. Vertical arrangement, spaced by, come on, 16 dp, and alignment center horizontally. Great. Paste this code, and let's see what it's gonna give us. Let's launch, and let's wait. Okay. Coming up, coming up, coming up. Yeah. Okay, this is a basic QR code design. So I just make it a little bit bigger so we can let's do size 200. Sorry, 200 dp. Okay. Okay, it looks good now. So here the remember QR code painter gets, as you can see here, the data for the QR code. So let's just cut it from here. Let's do okay, val painter this, and let's add painter. Okay. Here, if we look at the function definition, here we can pass different properties. So we can change the shape, the colors. We can add the logo here inside the QR code, and we have this, I don't know, this error correction level. So I think this one is for let me show you. I think they have it here on the documentation. So the QR code allows you to read encoded information even if a part of the QR code image is damaged. So let's assume you set I don't know, the correction level to high. As you can see here, almost if up to 30% of the QR code can be damaged or used as logo. So if we put the logo here, we can use up of the QR code as a logo. So our QR code can be scanned without any problem, no, without any data loss. Okay. So let's start doing some customization. Let's start with shapes. Okay, let's break down its data. And let's do shapes. It's QR shapes. And let's see what does it have. Okay, it have the code shape. So I don't know. Let's change it. Code. It's QR shape. It's QR code shape dot. Okay, we have default. We have circle. Okay, it's circle. We have hexagon. Yeah, it looks cool. I think we have also, I don't know, rounded rectangle or something like that. Okay, we don't. So these are the three QR code shapes we have. So let's do hexagon. Okay, let's move on to the next. So we have dark pixel. Dark pixel. Let's see what this dark pixel do. So we have QR pixel shape, and let's do circle. Okay, it's this one here. So turn to default. As you can see, this is the shape. If we do circle, this is the shape. Let's do something. Okay, we have horizontal lines. Okay, this is good. We have square, vertical lines, and rounded corners. Let's do square. Okay, let's stick to circle. We have light pixel, light pixel. So we have here pixel shape. Let's do circle also. I think the light pixels are the pixel here, these light ones, because it's here white, so we can't really see that. So let's keep it circle, and when we change the colors of the color of the light pixel, maybe we can see that. Okay, let's move on to the ball. I think it's this one. So let's do ball. It's QR ball shape dot circle. Okay, let's keep everything circling. You may wonder how I am knowing this. Okay, it's coming from this. So it's QR ball shape, QR frame shape. So I am just following this. Or when I don't know, when you do ball, you can see here the type. It's a QR ball shape. So let's do circle. Let's move on to the next one. It's a frame. So let's see. Frame, QR frame shape. Let's do circle. Also, I want to circle everything. Okay, it looks good. And central symmetry. Shape will be turned to the center according. I don't know what this do. So let's just. It's true. Let's make it false. Okay, nothing changes. I don't know. It's not changing. So let's keep it as it is. And move on to the next one. We finished with shapes. Let's move on to colors. Okay. Colors. So it's QR colors. Open up. Command click or control click on Windows. So let's start with dark. It's QR brush. Okay, we have brush. If you wanna do, I don't know, gradient colors, we can do solid. Let's stick to solid. So let's do color. Let's make them red. Okay, it's good. Blue. No, this is black. I said blue. Nah, maybe I don't know. Green. Oh, it's too much. Let's keep it red. Yeah. Okay, we have the light. أيوة. The light, so we can QR brush solid. I think it's either transparent or white. So let's do QR code. Let's do blue. Exactly, these are the white pixels. So the light pixels, sorry. So let's change them here to default. Okay, default. As you can see, they changed. Okay, let's keep them, I don't know, transparent. Let's move to the ball color. So it's QR brush, solid. Let's do color yellow. Okay, and let's do frame, QR brush, solid, color. I don't know, let's say black. Okay, let's keep them black. Okay, I think it's clear. Let's move on to the next property, which is a logo. So we can add the logo here. So I think, okay, let me just drag and drop something here. Something we can use as a logo. So let's, I don't know, change it to, I had here a KMP view. I don't know where it is. So let's keep it Android. So let's go to common main, com. Okay, I don't know where the src folder is here. Okay, src, common main. Okay, compose resources and drawable. We can add the logo here. So just me, you can drag and drop anyone you want. So let me just see what do I have here. Okay, I think there is this, we can use this compose multi-platform. Okay, logo. So let's do QR logo. QR logo. No, QR. Sorry, what is it? Logo. So it's QR logo. And let's see, what does it take? It takes painter. So painter resource. Let's do drawable and compose multi-platform. Okay, this is the compose multi-platform logo. Okay, let's change the size. So let's change one. Okay, it's too big. 0.2f, 0.3, that's 2.2. Next, we have padding. Let's see what's this color. QR code padding. And let's do natural. Okay, I don't know what does this do. Size. Let's give it a 12f. Okay, it's a lot. Let's do 2. Still a lot. Let's do 0.2 or 0.1. Okay, I think it's good now. Let's move on. We have the shape. Let's keep it to default. Oh, let's do 0.05. Oh, let's keep it 1. And we have the error correction level. So let's make it high because we have a logo here, and so we don't have any data loss on our QR code. So let's make it high. And the for I think it's for the I here. So let's make it true. And yeah, we have 4. So yeah, I think that's it for the QR code customization. Let's move on to another thing, something I said, which is making this data stateful. As you can see, let's add, I don't know, let me add something. So let's add here a text field. Okay, let's say val QR code data, remember multiple state of, and let's value QR code data. Okay, let's do here by. And for the on value change, let's do QR data equal to it. Okay, it's a var here, sorry. Next, we're gonna assign this QR code data to this, QR code data to this. Yeah. And here, let's just add the text saying QR code. Okay, let's do QR code data. and QR code data. Okay, let me show you something. When we change this data, the data on the QR code will update also. So if you have a use case where you want your user to input the QR code data, okay, you can add, for example, a text field here and add the state to update the QR code data. Let's do. QR, as you can see, the QR shape will change while I am typing QR code data. Did you see? Okay, let's remove. This is empty QR code. This is some QR code data. It will update in real time. Okay. We will confirm this data here later when we implement the QR code scanning. So I think there is one more thing I want to show you because there is types of data here that we can pass. Yes, data types. For example, if you want your QR code to be Wi-Fi, okay, here you can specify the data to be Wi-Fi, so QR code data dot Wi-Fi, and specify the Wi-Fi information. Okay, so when it's scanned, the QR code will add I think for the Wi-Fi it will add the Wi-Fi to the Wi-Fi network to the mobile that scan the QR code Wi-Fi directly. So let's go back and let's see what data do we have. So let's do QR data dot. Let's see. We have scroll. We have event. We have location. So we can pass latitude and longitude coordinates. We have text, we have BizCard, email, enterprise Wi-Fi, ME card, phone, SMS, V card, and Wi-Fi. So I think this covers most of the use cases. Okay. Next, okay, let's launch it on iOS. So let's select here iOS and select this simulator to make sure it's working also on the iOS part. Okay, let's launch. Okay, let's wait for it to boot. Okay, okay, it's launching. Come on. Okay. Okay, this is the QR code. For now, it's empty. So let's do some, I don't know, some QR code data. As you can see, it's changing on real time without any bugs or lazy or lags or anything else. So you can do, I don't know, something HTTPS point slash I don't know google.com so you can pass any text here to be scanned. So I hope I made it very clear for the QR code scanning part. I think we'll continue on another video to show you how we can do uh, the QR code scanning. I hope so. I hope I made it very clear to explain to you how we can do the QR code generation using Compose Multiplatform. So see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.